This is the procedure that I have used many times before to deflate and fold my SUP board. So right here we have one 3.5 meter long stand-up board, and as you can see it is full of the air at the moment. So here on the back side of the SUP board we have this cap, and we also have these two images which show the position of the small cap in the process of inflating and in the process of deflating the SUP board. So, in order to deflate the SUP board, just press this white cap down and hold it down for some time. The air pressure is too strong in the SUP board at the moment, so you need to hold it down. After 15 seconds or something like that, you will be able to lock this white cap in the down position, which will allow for the remaining air to get out. So remember, the white cap down is the open position, the white cap up is the closed position. Lock this cap in a down position and fold your SUP board in this way. Start folding from the far side and work your way to the middle. Then switch to the cap side and fold this side all the way to the middle. Make sure you blow out all remaining air during this folding process. There you have it, simple and easy, all done in less than 5 minutes. I hope this video can help you, and I will see you in the next one.